going to make a small model of the respiratory system of your lungs. You just take an easy water bottle. I like them to be thicker than this, but I didn't have any on hand. You cut the bottom off and take the lid off. Take a balloon, stick it inside your water bottle and put it over the mouth, the top of the water bottle. Okay, then we're going to, this is just a Ziploc bag that I cut, so I just have the bottom of it. You could use a variety of little plastic membranes of any sort, and I want to push it up in the middle, and I'm going to tape around the edges as best I can to have it be airproof, to be sealed. My lack of coordination with tape. Okay, so you tape along the bottom here, taping that membrane in place. The tighter the seal, the better. This acts like the diaphragm in our body, and if you watch closely, our lung inflates when you pull down and deflates when you push up. Can you see that from there? Inflate, deflate. This is like that muscle that you have across here, the diaphragm, that separates the pulmonary cavity up here from your abdominal, the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity, and it's going to pull down when you take a deep breath. It puffs out, well, your belly pops out, but it pulls down, creates a negative pressure that inflates your lungs, and then when you exhale and release that diaphragm muscle, it pushes back up and pushes the air out of your lungs. Just a real simple, quick little demo.